Imagine opening your mailbox to find an ominous envelope with the IRS logo glaring back at you. Your heart races. This moment could signal a much larger issue lurking beneath the surface. The IRS isn't just a faceless entity, it's a looming threat that many underestimate. Common myths about taxes can cost you dearly, and your financial mindset might be a ticking time bomb, causing you to overlook critical warning signs of trouble ahead. Consider this: you've been filing your taxes the same way for years, feeling secure in your routine. Feeling secure in you, But that comfort might be your greatest blind spot. Even minor mistakes can draw the IRS's attention, like misreporting income from a side gig or neglecting to document a freelance project. You might think you are safe, but the IRS is always on the lookout for inconsistencies. Imagine receiving a call from a tax professional warning you that your deductions could raise red flags. What seemed like a simple task suddenly spirals into a source of anxiety, and that tax refund you are eagerly anticipating. It could be a double-edged sword. Many believe a refund means they've done everything right, but it can also trigger the IRS to scrutinize your finances more closely. Tax audits are on the rise, catching many off guard. You don't want to be one of them when that dreaded envelope arrives. So, what's your move? Start by dismantling the harmful myths surrounding the IRS and your financial habits. Are you truly informed about your finances, or just skimming the surface? Reflect on your financial decisions. Are they driven by fear or genuine understanding? Are they you or This distinction could be your shield against Earth's scrutiny. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. By recognizing these ear's warning signs and the myths that fuel anxiety, you can reclaim your peace of mind. Assess your financial habits now. Don't let ignorance lead you into panic. If something feels off, trust your instincts. You owe it to yourself to dig deeper. Have you ever felt a wave of anxiety when an envelope from the earth lands in your mailbox? You're not alone. Many experience that rush of panic, but the real danger is the earth itself. It's the myths that surround it. Imagine overhearing a friend discussing their tax troubles and suddenly feeling a rush of fear. The truth is, most of us don't realize we might be sitting on a ticking time bomb of financial mistakes. Let's dive deeper. Many believe that simply filing their taxes on time means they're in the clear, but there's so much more to consider. Misunderstandings about deductions, underreporting income, and ignoring those tricky 1099 forms can lead you down a risky path. Picture yourself at a dinner party where everyone is casually sharing their expert opinions on taxes. You start to doubt everything you thought you knew about your financial safety. What if those myths end up costing you thousands? As we explore this further, you might recognize some common mistakes you're making, like thinking you can't afford a good accountant. The truth is, investing a little now could save you a lot later. Ignoring that little voice urging you to seek help might set you up for trouble. Now, let's take this up a notch. Imagine receiving an audit notice. Your heart sinks as you scramble to gather your documents, only to realize you've been misled by those harmful myths. Overwhelm sets in. But being proactive is the key to avoiding this stress. It's not just about steering clear of the earth, it's about shifting your mindset. Instead of dreading tax season, view it as an opportunity for growth. By taking control of your finances, you'll be one step ahead. So, what's the main takeaway? It's time to bust those harmful myths and take charge of your financial mindset. Don't let fear dictate your financial future. If you've enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing. Your financial safety could very well depend on it. Did you know the earth might not be your biggest financial threat? It's true. The real danger often lies in the myths surrounding it. Think you're safe from earth's issues. Think again. Many cling to misconceptions that can lead to serious financial trouble. It's not just about taxes, it's about your entire mindset around money. What if your fears are actually holding you back from financial freedom? Imagine it's tax season, and you're feeling stressed, dreading those envelopes from the ERS, worried about audits or unexpected financial hits. Sound familiar? This anxiety is often fueled by easily debunked myths. When was the last time you heard someone say, "The ERS is out to get me"? That's a common belief. In reality, the ERS focuses more on compliance than punishment. Yet, that fear can crush your financial ambitions before they even have a chance to grow. Now, picture a young professional, fresh out of college, excited about their new job. They are saving, investing, and planning for retirement, but they are paralyzed by the fear of making mistakes with the IRS. This fear could be what's truly holding them back from seizing opportunities for growth. Let's talk about some misconceptions that might be costing you money. You might think hiring a tax professional is a luxury you can't afford. But what if